Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D Show once again. Yes, this video, I did direct this video to Mr. Okorocha and Hope Uzodinma, then Uche Nwosu, Ganduji, all of them. And then be our problem. Mostly this Okorocha is a huge problem to Igbo people. It's a huge problem. Big problem to Biafran people. Big problem to IPOP people. With the Ohanese people. All of them. They are disgrace to the Igbos. They are big disgrace to the Biafrans. So the video now, Mr. Okorocha and Uche Nwosu, how far now? How no they? How the thing they do now for body now? When we see our eye don't clear, because it be like say I drink something before when we say the shark on when we say not let on see road again. Since when this 219 come up, not only since when this 219 come up, since the agitation of Biafra, they be like say get waiting to take cover Okorocha and Uche Nwosu are, including the Ohanese Ndi Igbo people. So Funky D say how far now, how they do with una Jubri, how they tackle the totem, the whole matter with Jubri. Ladies and gentlemen, I know say Okorocha, they say they don't delete. You know how do they delete? It be like where you get number for inside your phone and you don't want to see that number pata again. They don't delete Mr. Okorocha name. They don't denounce Mr. Okorocha, say, because I know say Okorocha put gun. It's just a tell one man making in announcing name say na him win the senatorial seat. Whether now lose zone or somewhere in Imo State, Funky D don't know, because Okorocha was once announced that he was he won the senatorial seat. So the INEC people, they say the INEC people with Jubri, with that Oshomole. All of they delete, they sit down, delete Okorocha, Mr. Okorocha, and say, man, in name not they among people when they go back to Senate House. When they go Senate House. They erase, he delete his name completely. So that is why Funky D say, Mr. Okorocha alias Mberiberism. How far? How they do you for body now? Because as they do you for body, as they delete you now, say, you not be anything now. Today now, Okorocha is no more the governor of Imo State, because somebody what they call Ihedioha, Mr. Ihedioha, don't win Okorocha in law, constantly win oppose of them man. I make me the talk say, I make me say this video at the direct time to Mr. Okorocha, oppose of them man. And the other guy when be Mr. Okorocha son-in-law. When they not let anybody hear words. Because they won't become. Because they won't carry Imo State for head. All of them. They are all criminals. Including who pose of them. That one never even enter. It don't they get Ogba with EFCC. About $12 million when in thief. When they give a contract of $12 million in thief that one already, and they never become governor. So now Funky D say, if you become governor, for example, say you become governor, what do you for use Imo people I do? Although even this Ihedioha, I don't know who him be, but from today I go begin follow this Ihedioha up. Just like the way where they follow Okorocha and Uche, Hope Uzodinma and Uche Nwosu. So these people, they are not good people. Sure, sir. Okorocha don't sabo, con the sabo all the whole thing when Nnamdi Kanu they do and IPOP people. Con the sabo the whole thing when the whole Biafran people then they do. Sure you get. So now they say they don't delete Okorocha name from becoming a senator. Okorocha now, from Kidi believe say Okorocha no fit enter that Aso Rock again because Okorocha is no more member of APC. Is no more member of the ruling party, APC. Likewise, his son-in-law. Only Hope Uzodinma, when they say Hope Uzodinma been dey PDP, when Okorocha accuse Hope Uzodinma before, say he never come leave PDP. So himself, they do anti-party system. So I next say the reason why when them cut Okorocha off, be say Okorocha won't kill one INEC officer. They are returning officer. As then they call them, they are returning officers. So that is the reason why then they stop Okorocha. But many things they inside. Because the person when they walk all this underground walk now that Oshomole of Benin City, I mean Oshomole of Edo State, when we say him they act like president, but he not be Nigerian president, but in they act more than everybody now when they APC. It be like say Oshomole now be #1 APC man, although now be their national chairman. Even where Jubri supposed to talk, no Oshomole they represent them. If Jubri make mistake, no Oshomole they correct them because no see that time when Jubri they make all those mistakes when they go when they do that their fake campaign, what they do. When anytime when Jubri make mistake na Oshomole na they correct them. They call the name of the person well for them. Then Jubri go still fail, can't fail again before he go come adjust himself small. So you understand? So now Oshomole na they do the underground work. Even Rochas Okora also don't let everybody know say in with Oshomole then get big problem. Oshomole don't let everybody know say in with Rochas Okorocha then get big problem because Oshomole they bring out Hope Uzodinma for APC. Okay, then Okorocha say no, say na his son-in-law for AA because even that his son-in-law we don't argue the matter in APC. You know they're not put them. Oshomole say no, but now APC lost, AA the loss. Oshomole lost in own side. That is APC now is no more in charge of in Imo State. They are no more in charge in Imo State. The people now when they in charge now PDP. That man they call Ihedioha. The man when win the election. This is a gubernatorial election. So that's why I say Okorocha which way? Where you stand now? Do you stand for Biafra now? Do you stand for Biafra now? Or you still stand for Buhari? Because now you and Buhari, things don't fall apart. You and APC, things don't fall apart. Say you get. So, but I say get one man, one Nigerian man again, may his soul rest in peace. Then they call that man Michael Aje Dumi. They say they see this man. They found this man dead on board in Delta Airline from Atlanta to Lagos State. Say this man a 65 years old Nigerian man when be passenger to this Delta Airline. So may his soul rest in peace. Ladies and gentlemen, this kind of airline thing when they happen in this early 2019. You get a CBO. You know, see the one now when just happened of recent in Ethiopia with Ethiopia Airline. What happened when we see many Nigerian people die inside? May all their souls rest in perfect peace. Amen. This one now yesterday I been at today happened. I think that yesterday evening this one happened when we see. They say the man I think the way when in name be I don't know the state when the man come from, but they say in name Michael Aje Dumi. They don't know. They say the airline people, the doctors when come check them, they say they never confirm wetin kill the man. So you get. So you get some people when don't lost this election when them plenty like as I was saying before. Somebody like Okorocha now, you don't feel come out from maybe political scene. Let us put it that way, because now unless maybe you go PDP self don't feel long time. You understand? Hope Uzodinma don't lost. I don't know whether that one will go back to Senate House. This Amoshu, they say Amoshu that they don't lost to APM. They don't in with the APM when in the support, they don't lost to APC. Sure you get. Then this one they call Ganduji. Now big problem. They say Ganduji they lost to Kabia Yusuf, the son-in-law to their ex-governor, Rabio Kwankwaso. Sure you understand. So there are a lot of them when don't lost come out, there are a lot of them when they lost they go, and all of them they will continue to they lost, whether you be APC or you be PDP. Sure you get in that Nigeria. So in fact, it gets some movement now when they won't go against INEC people, because in fact the corruption in INEC not be small corruption, ladies and gentlemen. INEC can corrupt now pass although all of them be politicians, they can corrupt now pass even OBJ. Corrupt pass Atiku them. Then say anywhere when APC they lost, anywhere where they lose the election, INEC will say inconclusive. Now Funkidi can say, okay, now INEC on the talk say, men, say if they find you guilty of election malpractice and all those kind of thing, or the allegation, you know, telling them, if they tell them, say they do this, whereas they not do them, then go, most especially election malpractices. So if they catch you on a problem, I can't talk say, men, these INEC people, the same thing when una do to the time when you one rig for Jubri, now una do again now, because it got some people when don't win, una say inconclusive. So why una they do all these things? Una know say no be Jubri win this election. Una know what Jubri do with Abba Kyari, with Mama Daura, with all those people. Why una take rig the election in general? Because still like 4 days before una call election result. Why una not probe APC people? Somebody like Oshomu led them. When we say na them they do all these things. When make APC go back to office. If you say you want probe somebody when they do election malpractices, everything when una do combined together with APC seek political parties na fraud. So una got to start probing from una self when be INEC people, come probe Jubri, come probe Atiku Abubakar join, come probe this one what they call Oshomole, come probe Bola Tinubu, come probe before you go begin talk say you want probe people. All this una kangaroo justice and or judiciary they not understand. Things not they work like that. We are tired of all these people, APC and PDP government. The way that they manipulate Nigerian people, not be so then they do something. It be like now when they say, whether they talk say Jubri want to probe Obasanjo for that 16 billion. Of course, it's right for him to probe Obasanjo for that 16 billion. Okay, but Jubri have to start from himself, his wife, all his cabinet, them, Amechi, them, all of them, Okpabio, them. There are a lot. If we begin call these people name today, ladies and gentlemen, we no go come off for here. Make him start from all those people when they close to him, when they sit down with them, Abba Kyari them. And the people when they do this, now still Abba Kyari them when they deceive Nigerian people, when Nigerian people they don't want to learn lesson. So if una want start to the probe, maybe Obasanjo, una must probe Obasanjo. We know say Obasanjo they with our 16 billion. Not be that one a chicken change one Obasanjo carry. Since that 16 trillion or billion dollars. When they give her for the electricity, when they want to give Nigerian people electricity. That one has token for money when Obasanjo carry. Okay, so if you say you want probe that one, fine, but make una probe or both Jubri, both Abba Kyari, the person when they probe, make it a probe APC, make it start from APC. We know say PDP are the same thing, all them Goodluck Jonathan, all of them be thieves, them be criminals. So make them start with themselves. Make them start with somebody like Amechi. Even you are talking about election malpractices, Amaechi na number one person. Everybody don't see what happen in River State of recent. So make una they do something the way when it's supposed to be. Not be say you go begin talk say you they want the pro people because them be your opposition. That is not justice. Not be so that you do justice. If you want to do justice, you do justice fairly for everybody, including the police, including those people when be army. Now army, they say army people now they deny say they not do anything. Say now people when the politicians them rent come from outside. Okay, if you know say now politicians, they know say this person not be the real army person, maybe not student. Why you not arrest the person? You know now say na politician and then rent all these army people, buy them clothes, give them gun, everything. Why una not go challenge them when you know now say nah? Because I hear when army boss then they say not be army people, not be then do all these things what they do during this election period. Why una they lie? Everything was controlled by APC government, including PDP, both parties. But the people when do the worst now, this APC people now then get all those army when they for street and police, because in fact 2 months before the election, Buhari don't send army enter everywhere. Like say Boko Haram, like say they don't defeat Boko Haram. Not be so things they work, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want to do justice, make you do the justice fairly. Now I get some group when Funky don't hear say, then they prepare for INEC people to do a big protest, because INEC is very corrupt, so corrupt. INEC, everything will happen because all this will not be election then do. Then just allocate vote, give Buhari. Buhari not win any election, they not contest any election in anywhere. So then say INEC bodies very corrupt. Una no hear say Wike buy house for the INEC man when one callers tell Wike say that Wike win the election in Matima, Abuja. Abi una no hear say then give Wike give INEC 300 million. Not be the Yakubu Ono when they give almost $140 billion to be around $45 billion when it do this fake election where they do, where they don't spend one kobo put. The machine when they use, say that the machine when they use, the machine when they buy since when Jonathan, they want to do 2015 election, when they lie people say they don't go buy card readers. That card readers when they buy, when not even work in any polling booth. They don't come out the whole battery. Because now they are plan with APC people. We don't know see say na midnight around 3:30 when this crazy INEC man take announce say na Buhari win, because in the fear. He announced when he just swap enter inside the house. Now they destroy that Nigeria. God go visit all of them one by one, including that man when they call say na win election when Nigerian people do not do election. Funky D, everybody. So make una they subscribe to Funky D. Just they subscribe, they go. Make una just they subscribe, they share my videos, they go. And make una they press that button. Make una not forget to press that best sign, ladies and gentlemen. Make una just they press some, they go. Okay, they share my videos all the time. So Okorocha, Funky D say how far? Now there we end today for you. So we go to follow you up. Make I say I want to chop all those money when you chop again. Just wait for Jubri action. Wait for Jubri. He's coming with the EFCC and the army. When they want to take uproot you, come out for that Imo state. May you go answer your mama name. So you understand? In a Kuje prison. Funky D. Subscribe, share, and press that button. Goodbye.